Hi, welcome to my sewing room. Today I have the sew sampler from Fat Quarter Shop. So let's dig right in and see what's in here. I did cut the tape just to save time, but I haven't opened it, so I have no idea. Bobbin for Apples, May 2019. Super cute. Let's see. Hand-picked offer for you. Free pie ruler with $30 purchase. 6 slices make 1 pie. There is that. So here is all the goodies. I see some cute fabric, but we know I do that last. Okay, Bobbin for Apples, May 2019. This is the list of everything with the prices. And what do we got here? This is Bohin, France needles. It's a set of a bunch of needles. Here's the packaging. That's really cute. This would be cute in one of my journals. So in case you don't know, if you're new here, I do lots of different craft items on my channel. And today we have the sew sampler box. So here it is. So there's a whole bunch of different types of needles. We have embroidery, tapestry, straw, darning, and sharps. I don't know what straw is. I've never heard of that. And these are from France. And a lot of this is in French. So I don't know what it all says. There's that. See there. But I really like the packaging. That's super cute. Okay, what's it say? It says Bohin Blue Solange Sewing Needle Book. Bohin number 98802. These needles are all you need for hand sewing, whether it's English paper piecing, binding, hemming, or hand quilting. There is a needle and eye size for the job. Bohin, France is known for the quality of their sewing goods. This treasury of 40 needles will stay sharp and ready for an entire lifetime of your creative handwork. Retail value is $11.98. And again, here it all is. So you can see all the different sizes. That will definitely come in handy. And the next item, oh, we got some pins. Fork pins. Some new things that I've never seen before. Fork pins. Easy to use fork pins feature 2 pins in one for pinning material, lining, and fabrics in place. It comes in this little package. I don't know about you, but I love little containers like this. Let's see here. Oh, okay. This little thing flips down. Very interesting. This looks like hairpin. I remember my mom having this when I was a kid. Let's see. Clover fork pins. Clover number 240. When precise matching seams is crucial to your quilt design, the Clover fork pins are the key. The double prong design allows you to hug your seams to avoid slippage for absolute accuracy every time. Say farewell to crooked rows, lost points, and all the seam ripping and hair pulling that comes along with it. Retail value $8.98. Here it is. Very interesting. Here's a close-up of the packaging if you want to see more information. And there will be links down below for everything as well. Okay, we got a couple patterns. Let me move the box. This is triangles on a roll. 7-inch finished block half square triangles. Grid paper for making 7-inch half square triangles. Makes 60 each. let's see if I can kind of open this to show it to you. It says, get ready to rock out quilt after quilt with triangles on a roll. This fantastic half square triangle paper allows you to seamlessly sew unit after unit without stopping to cut and grab a new sheet of paper. The 7-inch finished half square triangle roll size is brand new, and we love it for showcasing large-scale prints you just can't bear to cut up. Try it out with the Orchid 10-piece Fat 8th bundle and Apple Crisp quilt pattern. Let's see here. Okay. Here's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. Cut fabric 8 1/4 inch wide by length to obtain desired number of blocks. That retails for $10.98. And here is that. I will just keep this inside of it. Okay, and we have a couple patterns here. This is the Apple Crisp quilt pattern. Finished size is 42.5 by 56. Here's what it looks like. And here's what you need. You need an Apple Crisp Orchard 10-piece Fat 8th bundle, which is what we have here. The triangles on a roll, and you'll need background fabric, binding fabric, and 3 yards of backing. And there's a finishing kit as well, which I will have a link down below for everything that you need for that. Let's see. It says this retails for $9.98. It says bright and juicy as the season's best Granny Smiths. The Apple Crisp quilt pattern is made with equal parts of sweetness and speed. This delightful star quilt radiates warmth with the help of the 7-inch half square triangle paper and the 10-piece Orchard Fat 8th bundle. You'll be well on your way to instant gratification. And you can get an Apple Crisp finishing kit, which includes background and binding. The next one is Goodness Grows, designed by Corey Yoder. Unfinished size 15.5 by 15.5. Oh, okay. This is Goodness Grows, block number 2. Here's that. It says, you're invited to let goodness bloom in your heart, block by block. Designed by Corey Yoder, this quilt will leave you so inspired to make positive things happen in your heart and cultivate your own personal garden of good. Limited quilt kits available. Get your Goodness Grows quilt kit and coordinating 80 weight applique or a filled thread pack. This retails for $4.98. And there's the back. Okay. Now, let's get to this yummy fabric. Look at that. That's so cute. And let's see. They have a members only sale going on. We have a promo code to get 20% off items in the box. So, if you get a box, you do get discount codes. And I'll have a link for that down below as well. Let's see. It says, enjoy every last juicy bit of this fruit-filled orchard collection. Apples, cherries, oranges, pears, and lemons tumble amongst wide open blooms in the edible garden of delight. Sunshine yellows, bright sky aquas, and grass greens pair scrumptiously with cherry reds, cloudy grays, and blueberry blues. Exclusive 10-piece Fat 8th bundle is truly a fresh sampling of summer. Retail value $19.98. These are Fat 8ths. I don't know if I can get the whole thing in here, but you can kind of get an idea here. That's really cute. So there's that one. That's really pretty. I love that. There's that one. So colorful. if it really matters if it's opened up, but you can get a good look of it. Oh, well, this one's really cute. One of my favorite colors, aqua. I love this and coral together. There's plaid. There's some leaves. There you go. Okay, that is everything. Nice box, love all the pins, and of course the fabrics are awesome. So if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll have links for everything down below. And if you haven't seen my sew along, be sure to go back and check those out that I did last week. I had a sew along with the Fat Quarter Shop. So thanks for stopping by, and see you again soon. Bye.